I'm often asked, why am I drawn to color? I don't know, except that maybe I'm a glutton for punishment. By that, I mean that I've always found color is more challenging medium because color is about addition. And when you add something to a photograph, it doesn't always work. Color changes as it interacts with other colors, as well as the light falling on it. Here, it's a descriptor. The aquas and the blues mix and help to define this massive landscape as a glacier. In this West Texas roundup scene, the color serves not only to create mood, but also defines the weather, much the same way as a Frederick Remington or Charles Russell painting might. Besides the moment, it's the color that seduces us.